Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create plum pudding from strawberry shortcake and Dress to Impress, removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. So for the hair, I use this in this color 4E1532, and then these bangs. Select this hair in the same color, position the Y to 0.61, Z 0.68, and scale it to 0.40. Then you're going to grab this necklace in 90 CBEB and 842 F77. Second toggle, position the Y to 0.28, Z 0.37, scale to 0.79. Grab this bow from this section as well in 90 CBEB. This one here. Position the X to 0.46, Y 0.27, Z 0.37. Rotate the X to 0.47, Y to 0.55, and scale it to 0.18. For the outfit, the simple stuff, I'm going to use this top in this color, D37FE8, and then this 2 in this color, and then I'm going to color the rest blue actually, 90 CBEB. Grab these pants in that same color as well. Grab these socks in high striped socks, and then color the second color green. Then I'm going to get this top over here in this color, 553A94. Grab these shoes in the same color as your top. Oh my gosh, I went in the shoe rack. And then I'm going to also get these leg warmers in this color, just a little bit lighter than that. Wait, actually I might color both the same color. Then for the flower, I did use a VIP flower. I used this in 842F77 and then 7AB651, it's here. 90 CBEB for the rest. Position the X to 0.53, Y to 0.64, Z to 0.54. Rotate the X to 0.55, Y to 0.43, and scale it to 0.25. And that is it. You can use a belt if you'd like to. Probably like this one for like the kind of belt here. I'm just going to color it matte. And the second toggle, like this. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.